Here we go again with another cooking creations. I'm Chef Brandon here at Four Winds Casino. Again, we're over here at the Kankakee Live. All right, again, we're doing a little bit of summer fun here. At some point down the road, I did a little grilling pineapple recipe. I'm gonna do another one today, but it's another twist on, another turn. We're all, again, trying to slim down for summer, get looking good. It's a little grilled pineapple recipe. You can buy your pineapple in the stores pre-done, pre-cored, sliced up. You can core it yourself, you can slice it, you can cut it in planks. Anything goes with this. I would probably refrain from a canned pineapple just because after it's been sitting in the cornstarch or the juice for a little, corn syrup in the juice for a little while, it tends to break down a little easier. You want a fresh one to keep its integrity, make sure it stays whole. So we're gonna go ahead. I got mine done already, but I am gonna cut them down because I like to have them probably about half this size. It's a little easier to eat. And again, if it's difficult with coring your pineapple, don't worry about it. You know that you really can't eat the core because it's a little tough. So keep it in there, it's not gonna hurt. Just cut around it, eat the beautiful fruit around it, you'll be good to go. But we had the capabilities of coring it, we did it today. So we got our pineapple here, we got it nice ready to go. We're gonna toss it on the grill, so follow me and let's get rolling. We're behind the scenes with the Kankakee Grill Lean here. We're on the grill. The best thing you could do is give it a little grease down over here, a little rub down, or you can just hit this with a little spray just so your pineapple doesn't stick because you want those pretty grill lines on there. We already got this pre-greased, so let's show you how it's done. So when you're cooking these, you want to get them about 2 to 3 minutes. You just want that pineapple meat to get nice and warmed up in between there. That's going to really pull them sugars out, make it nice and sweet. Beautiful dessert. So in between, you want to give this, I'd say after about 1.5 minutes, you want to give this a turn. Just a slight turn so you can get those nice diamond shapes on your pineapple. Here we go. Oh yeah, okay. We got our nice tender warm pieces of pineapple here. All right, it's this simple. It's this simple, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna do a honey drizzle on there. This touches a lot of different tones and elements to the dish. All right. Mascarpone. Nice little dollop on there. And some cinnamon. Now, if you want to get adventurous with this dish, you can throw a little chili pepper on there. That'll get you where you need to be. With a little mint leaf for a garnish. And there you have it. A clean, simple, get your summer bod on dessert here, treat, whatever you want, in your face. Another cooking creations here with Chef Brandon at Four Winds Casino. Enjoy.